with the latest. Dana.
The Illinois Department of Public Health Director says she felt compelled to talk to the public today about not using home remedies to fight COVID-19, particularly ones that involve chemicals.
Injecting, ingesting, snorting household cleaners is dangerous. It is not advised and can be deadly.
Illinois Department of Public Health Director Dr. Ngozi Ezike said she had to address this after comments the president made at his White House briefing on Thursday.
Right, and then I see the disinfectant where it knocks it out in a minute, 1 minute. And is there a way we can do something like that by injection inside or almost a cleaning?
Dr. Ezike says there have been increased calls to the Illinois Poison Control Line over the last 2 days of people reporting exposure to chemicals.
Some recent examples include the use of a detergent solution for a sinus rinse and gargling with a bleach and mouthwash mixture in an attempt to kill coronavirus.
During Governor Pritzker's briefing, he took time to highlight several organizations and volunteers stepping in to help those struggling with things like addiction and mental health. Services now available virtually or by phone. Dr. Angela Cedeno with the Kedzie Center says they have been inundated with calls.
We're hearing from individuals of all ages with increased anxiety, loneliness, and grief, families who are stressed about basic needs, couples with relationship strain, and youth who are worried about the safety of their loved ones and about the future.
Dr. Cedeno says it's important to ask for help, with plenty of volunteers and agencies ready to assist those in need.
People have come from all different backgrounds, but what they all have in common is a decency and a kindness and a generosity that should make us all proud to be from Illinois.
And we have posted the phone numbers and some websites for those who are seeking help for things like addiction and mental health services. During the question and answer portion after the governor's comments, he was asked to clarify about the lakefront. Starting on May 1st, as you may have heard, boating will be allowed with 2 people per vessel. He was asked if the lakefront or portions of it will reopen and if people can boat on Lake Michigan. And the governor said he's leaving that decision up to Mayor Lightfoot. Live at the Thompson Center, Dana Rebick, WGN News.